What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kennedy and today we are doing a Telfar unboxing. Okay, so today I'm going to be unboxing two Telfar shopping bags that I bought August 19th, 2020, whenever Telfar had like the Telfar bag security program where for 24 hours they had like no limit on the amount of bags you could buy because there was a problem with people buying the Telfar bags and like reselling them at outrageous prices. So it was a really good thing for them to like give everybody a chance to get a bag because they were selling out so quickly and the hype was insane. So on August 19th I took advantage and I bought two. I bought a small shopping bag in yellow and a small shopping bag in orange. So like I said, I bought them August 19th. They shipped on December 30th, 2020. And then I just got them January 5th. And today is January 9th. And I have not opened them yet because I was waiting to film this video. So I haven't even seen them yet. So yeah, I'm excited to unbox them. The bags are all 100% vegan leather. As you know, Telfar is a black-owned brand headed by Telfar Clemens. It's gender neutral bags. So I was super excited. I know I wanted the small ones because I know I don't really like to carry large bags. So I know the medium and large wouldn't really be for me. And like when I go out, I like to kind of travel light whenever I'm like out shopping or out to dinner or brunch. I don't really bring a lot of things with me. So I figured the small size would be perfect. So I have the box right here. Literally all I did was just like use my scissors and cut the box. I haven't even like opened it. Right, so opening it up. Alright, so the first one is the yellow one. And this comes in like a nice little plastic Ziploc baggie with the Telfar dust bag inside. So let's see, I'm like super excited. And like when I went to go buy them, I wanted to like just stick to my boring, you know, attraction to black, and I was gonna just buy them, just buy a bag in black and maybe yellow, but I was like, I need to get a black one. But I was like, don't get black, Kennedy, because you always get black. So just step out the box and get some bright colors. So I'm happy I did. So, and yellow is my favorite color. Ooh. Right. Pull this off. Oh my god, it is so yellow. Like duh. Like all my friends have Telfar bags and I was just sitting here waiting for mine to come in from like 4 or 5 months ago. Alright, so this is the yellow. Yes. Let me put my little box down so y'all can see. See if it'll focus. Yes. So this can like be, of course, just like a regular on the side type of deal, or crossbody like so. And I think it's so cute because you can do that, or you can just like hold it and just have like the straps down. This is so cute. Oh my gosh! Now I need to go somewhere so I can use it. It's like the perfect size, but like I said, I don't really carry a lot of things when I go out. This is like perfect for your phone, some lip gloss, a little bit of makeup to touch up, just like the touch up stuff. Yes, come on Telfar. It has like a little snap, like a button snap to close the bag. On the inside, it just has like a Telfar tag, of course, all the regular stuff. Telfar tag because we authentically support black businesses and brands over here, okay? So that's the yellow one. I love it, my favorite color. Then, like I said, I got an orange one as well. The same plastic dust bag, well, plastic with the dust bag inside. Let's see, pull it out. These colors are so vibrant. Yeah, I'm happy I didn't get black because I was like, let me step out of my comfort zone. you know, give the girls some variety. Because I love some black and some gray. Alright, so let me get up again. So I can see the orange. If it'll focus. This is the orange one. Super cute. Like the yellow can be just on the side. Crossbody. Or if you want to just hold the strap like so. Super cute. Yes. Okay, and then as we all know, the Telfar bags, they come in so many different colors. There's just a little Telfar tag inside. So it's like red, pool blue, there's like, is it bubblegum pink, I think it's called? Black, of course, there's white. They even have like metallic colors. There's like silver, gold, there's blue, like metallic blue and all these colors. So I definitely was like going crazy during those 24 hours trying to decide which ones I wanted, and I'm super happy with my picks. So then we have the orange and the yellow. I cannot wait to go outside and go somewhere so I can actually wear one of these and get some good brunch pics or something. Okay, so overall these purses are super cute. I'm so happy with my purchase. These look like perfect. You're like on a date, a little day trip or something, you know, brunch. You know, we love brunch. This is like, these both can go with like a nice little denim look, you know. These will definitely be seen on my Instagram at some point. I'm so happy I got these nice bright bold colors because I was gonna get black, y'all. I was gonna get black. I had to stop myself and get out my, because ooh, the black was calling me, but these are so cute. Yes. Yes, getting out of the comfort zone. But yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and unbox those for you guys since I was like waiting, because I was like dying to open it, but I was like, I need to just do it on camera. So yeah, that was like a little quick short video today. Hope you guys enjoyed. What did you guys think of the bag? Let me know down below which one is your favorite color. Do you have a Telfar bag? Did this make you want to get one? Let me know all that down below, okay? Alright. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, I will definitely see you in the next one. Peace.